Today we'll discuss programming techniques for Turing machine. So actually we are having 4 techniques. One is storage in finite control. Second one is multiple tracks. Third will be of checking of symbols. Fourth will be of subroutines. So storage in the finite control, usually we store only one state name alone in the state, right? Like this, Q0, Q1 like that. But in this format, we are having a state along with the information. Some Q followed by some input symbols I can store here. Q with A, Q comma B, Q comma C. In the single state itself, I can represent like this. Q comma A. This is considered a single state. That meaning is the symbol is what is a symbol previously you recognized during your transition. That symbol automatically stored here. I know that from this particular state, previous recognized symbol is A. Okay, for that purpose, we are using storage in finite control. Okay, we'll see first this type. Multiple tracks is I can use more than one tracks. I can store more than one input string in all the tracks. So 3 tracks I can process or I can recognize. Okay, some logic we need a more number of tracks parallelly. I want to access it. So in that particular situation, I can go for a multiple tracks. Checking of symbol is again it is a 2 track. One which particular symbol you recognized in the input tape, you are going to off in the another track. Subroutine is it's look like a function concept. So I have to execute a main, but your main diagram should goes to another diagram. Okay, let's see one example for all these types. First one is storage in finite control. Okay. I want to recognize 0, 1 star plus 1 0. This string I want to recognize using Turing machine. It's either or. Either you have to do this one 0, 1 star, or you have to do 1 0. So I'll start from here. So I'm going to take it as Q0 comma blank using the concept of storage and finite control. So state initially no symbol is recognized. So I'm going to give a blank. From this, I can go in 2 ways because we are having either or 0 1 star or 1 0 star. Here I'm going to use a 0 1 star. What is the first symbol we are having? 0. I don't want to change the symbols. Simply I'm going to recognize the symbols alone. So 0, no change of 0, just move to right hand side. Okay, take another state here. So I can use Q1 comma. What is the symbol you recognized? 0, no? So here I can mention as 0. What is the next symbol you are having? 1, right? This is like a 0 or more number of ones. So I can go for self loop. No change of 1, just move to right. At one situation, after this symbol, you are having blank in your tape, right? So I can give it as blank, blank. You can stop the process. So I'm going to consider this as a final state. Same state I can use, right? Because only 0 is available here, no? So I'm going to here Q1 comma What is a previously recognized symbol? Blank. So I can give it as blank. This is for 0, 1 star. Likewise, I'm going to do for 1, 0 star. So Q1, comma. So this symbol is 1, no. So 1/1 move to right. So this is, you can give it as 1. So zeros also you can self-flow. You can use it. So 0, 0, right side. At one situation, you'll reach a blank. You can give it as a final state. Blank, move to right. It is a storage in finite control. Second method is we are having multiple tracks, right? So I can store my input in more than one track like this. So beginning, start with a blank, n number of blanks. This is 1, 2, 3. My head pointer is pointed here. So it will parallelly, it will access the first track, second track, or third track. Suppose you want to do some addition or subtraction, multiplication, you can take the first two track as your input, third track you can produce your output also. Okay, that is a possibility. Suppose in very big complex program you are having, you want to work out simultaneously, in that situation I can go for a multiple tracks. For example, I want to use a logic whether the given number is a prime or not. Okay, I'm going to use a 3 track for this checking of numbers. What is the logic I'm going to use is first track and third track I'm going to use my input. Now I want to check whether 7 is a prime number or not. So in the middle track now I'm going to give a binary number as 2. So what is the logic I'm going to take it as? I'm going to subtract the third track with the second track. The output should be I'm going to place in this third track. Repeatedly I'm going to do till you reach this value as a positive number, positive non-zero. If it is non-zero means, again I'll increase my second track value. I'll repeat the same process. Suppose if you are reached this value as 0 means, here itself I'll stop the process. I'm going to conclude the given number is not a prime number. How long you have to increase your second track values till you reach your input? 7, no. So till you reach 7 here, I'll stop the process. Okay, listen. First step of this one is I'm going to subtract. There is no change in the first track, second track also. So 7 minus 2, what is the answer? 5. That you can place here. Then you can do the subtraction again. It's a positive number, right? 5 minus 2 is 3. Again, repeat the same. So 7, 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. If you are doing again, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Don't do that one. Okay. So this is again, it's a non-zero value. If you are having non-zero value, so you have to increase your second track value. So 7, this is 3, this is 7. 7, 3, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 3 is 4. 7, 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Stop the process. It's a non-zero. So increase your second track value. So 7, this is 4, this is so 4, 7, 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, 3 minus 4 is minus, no, I can stop. Increase your second track value. 7, 5, 7. 7, 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, increase your second track value. 7, 6, 7, 7, 6, 1. Finally, you reached your input value 7, 7, 7. All the track values you are having a same value. I can say the given number is a prime number. So 7 is a prime number. Okay, suppose I will consider as 4. My input is 4. Okay, we know that this is not a prime number. So 4 to 4 minus 2 is 2. Again, you can do, so 4 to 2 minus 2 is 0. If you reach the 0 here, this is not a prime number. I'm using multiple tracks here. This is one of the example. You can take any example for this problem. I'll go for the next one as a checking of symbols. Third is I'm going to take it as in W followed by reverse of the W. Okay. So blank, this is 0, blank, this is 1, and blank, this is blank. So 1, 0. Okay, concept is same concept. This is already we discussed, right? So if you are having like this means you remove 1 0 from the beginning. The same thing you have to remove at the end and remove another one and remove another one. Here is also we are going to do the same thing. So the only thing is here itself we changed our values as blank, right? Here we are going to change this blank symbol as a star. Okay. Another you have to change the last position blank as a star. If you recognized 1 0 here means at the end is also you have to recognize the same 0. Next, move to the left hand side till you reach the star symbol. If you reach, check whether you are having 1 or 0. If you are having 1 also, change this blank into star, then move to the right hand side whether you have a same blank amount, change this as a star. This is actually very simple. I'll tell you here. Start with, I'm going to use a storage and final control also. Initially start with Q0 comma blank space. Okay, so two things you are having, either I can go with 0, otherwise 1. So I'll take it as 2 ways. The first one is, what is the values you are having initially? So blank, 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 blank. This is 0, 1, 1, 0. So your value is, you are having blank comma 0. The two tracks can be represented like this, blank comma 0. Change that blank comma 0 to star comma 0. Correct. So I will put it as star comma 0. That meaning is this place alone changed as star. Then move to right hand side. So here the recognized symbol is 0. So I'm going to leave it as 0. After that I need a 0 from at the end side, right? So before this blank comma blank. What is the symbol here? It will be there blank. Here is also before you are having blank comma blank. So this position, till you reach this position, you have to skip all the symbols. So maybe of what is the symbol you are having? Blank comma 0, no change of this one, just move to right hand side. Okay. So what is the next symbol is we are having blank comma 1. No change of this one, just move to right hand side. Okay, after skipping of this symbol, this symbol, this symbol, Warren blank comma blank, no change of that blank, just move to left hand side. Okay, now you are here. What is the left value you are having? Blank comma 0. Change that blank as star, right? I'll go here. Blank comma 0 to slash star comma 0. Just move to left. Now this is changed. Now you are here. Then I need a next 1 or 0 after the star. Right? So after this star comma 0 or star comma 1, whatever is there, that value you have to take it. So now you can skip all the blank comma 1 to blank comma 1, move to left, blank comma 0 slash blank comma 0, move to left. Okay, this is you can give it as q1 comma q2 comma 0. Okay, again same thing is repeated, so I'm going to give a control from here to here, star comma 0, no change of star comma 0, just move to 1 ahead, right? Like the same thing, one more is also possible, right? Maybe of some situation you will have a star comma 1 slash star comma. That is also no change, just move to right. Now you are here. Okay. So this is for a 0. If you are having 1 means another transition you can use. Same thing here, wherever you are having the 0, here you can use it as a 1. So blank comma 1, change that star comma 1. Move to right. So now this is changed to star. This is same thing. What is the state here I used now? Same thing, Q1, but only the symbol is 1. Self loop is, you can skip. 1 is blank comma 1, blank comma 1, move to right hand side. Another one is, so you are having blank comma 0, sometimes you'll get, that is also you have to move it. And one more symbol it is there, right? Star comma 0. So that is also you have to skip out. So star comma 0 slash star comma 0. The second iteration you'll get like this. Maybe of star comma 1, there's the possibilities. It won't happen for all the types sometime. The same thing you have to fill here also. Star comma 0 slash star comma 0. Just move to right. And star comma 1 slash star comma 1, move to right. So 4 possibilities will be there. So either 0 or 1, or the star comma 0, star comma 1 will be there. Okay, after this won't happen, beginning iteration, after 1 or 2 iteration, sure it will be there. That is also you have to skip out, because here you are having, after changing of the first one, the blank into star, you are having blank comma 1, star comma 0. That is only I have given all the possibilities. Okay, at one situation, you'll reach like blank comma blank, no change of that blank comma blank, just move to left. What is the no. We Or before going to this blank symbol, we can do, okay. So after reaching this blank, just we can here we use like a star comma 0. Here we are going like till that blank symbol. After reaching this blank, just move to left hand side. We have to skip this also, right? Star comma 0, star comma 1. If it is 0, that I have to skip out. Then only you are having blank comma 1. That I have to remove it. So I'll use one more transition here. That is Q1 comma blank. So what is the symbol you are having? Immediately you don't have this blank comma 1. In between you are having star comma 0 also. That is you have to skip out. So for that reason I'll use a self loop here, star comma 0 slash star comma 0. Just move to left. Or 1 also you can write. Star comma 1 slash star comma 1, move to left. One situation will reach this one, no? So we can change that blank comma 1 to star comma 1. Move to left hand side. And also you can join here itself. Okay. So the left hand side, it will check whether any blank comma 0 it is there. No blank comma 0 is there. So automatically it will goes here only. It goes to the initial state because this symbol is also changed. So after this star comma 1, it will check whether you are having blank comma 0 or blank comma 1. After star comma 1, I have a star comma 1 only. Right? Then you can start the process here. You consider this is a final step. Okay, either you reached a star comma 1 or either you reached a star comma 0. No change of that one. You can stop the process. Okay, for a single logic, you can use n number of diagrams. This diagram also you can your own logic you can change it. Ultimate aim is after that process of checking off symbols, your output tape should be of star 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 star. Here it should be of 0 1 1 0. That's it. This is only the output tape of after processing of checking of symbols. We checked one symbol, we off in the blank. We checked another symbol, the corresponding. And also I'm checking whether this is a correct or not. Okay, particular string is accepted based on this language or not. Okay, next one is we are having, what is the next one? Subroutines, right? That we'll discuss multiplication of two numbers. So the input tape is 0 power m, 1 separator symbol, 0 power n separator symbol. Before and after you are having blank. This is only the input. Output is multiplication of two numbers alone. You take assumption m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. The input type is 2 zeros, 1, 3 0, 1. Before and after you are having blank. Output type is 2 into 3, 6, no, so 6 zeros. Before and after you are having blank. Okay, there's a logic. So how I'm going to do is, I'm going to change the first 0 from m side as blank. I'm going to copy all the n zeros at the end. The same way, another 0, I'm going to change it as a blank. Take all the n side zeros, I'm going to change the blank into zeros. Again, I'll check m side, no zeros are available. Then I'll change 1 into blank space. This n side zeros also I'll change as blank. Okay, all the things you can change it as blank. You check out what is the balanced data you are having, see zeros. That is only you want. Okay, this is the logic of multiplication of two numbers. Let's see one example. I'll draw the diagram. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is blank. This is also blank. I'll start here. Okay, I'll start it with Q0. Okay, first, what is the symbol you are having? 0. I want to change the 0 into blank. So 0 slash blank, move to right hand side. In between the m side zeros, you have to skip out. Suppose m value is 50 means 1 0 you can change it, remaining 49 0 I have to skip out. So I'll use a self loop 0 0, move to right. One place you'll reach a 1, no. So that is no change of that one, just move to right hand side. Now you are in the n side 0. Q2. So I'm going to use a function here, subroutine here. So inside 0, I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste in the blank position. That is, I'll use another diagram here. So from Q2, you are here now, right? My pointer is here. Change that 0 to x. Just move to right. Why? Because is once I recognize this symbol, I'm going to copy in this place. Next symbol I recognized means for my reference, I'm changing this 0 to x. I will copy this 0 to here. Like that, all the 3 zeros are changed as x means all 3 zeros are copied into the blank position. Okay. So first 0 I changed as x. Then I'll move to the right hand side. What is the in between symbols you are having? You are having 0 and 1. 0, no change, move to right. 1, no change, move to right. Now my head pointer is here. After reaching the first blank, change that to 0, move to left hand side. Now this blank is changed as 0. Now you are here. I want the next 0, where it is available after this x. So in between the symbols you can skip out. So 0, 0 left, 1, 1 is also left. This is skipped, these two zeros also skipped. At one situation will reach x. Once you reach x, take a next 0, you have to repeat the same thing. So from here to here, from here to here, I'll use it as a, if you reach x, no change of x, just move to it. If you're having 0 means still more, some zeros are available at the end side. If you're having other than 0 means you have to go this way. Now I'm having 0 only, right? Change that 0 as x. Move to right hand side. This is skipped, this is skipped, this is also skipped. When you reach a blank space, change that into 0. Then move to left hand side till you reach a x. After x, I have another 0. Change that into x. If you reach a blank, no, that place you can change it into 0. Now after x, you can check no 0 is available, but one symbol you are having. That situation, all zeros are copied. So change that, no change of that one, just move to left. Okay. And also all the x I have to change into 0 because next time I have to repeat the same process. Same template is repeated. That time it will check whether you are having a 0 is there at inside. That is the reason change all the x into original value. Original value is 0 only. So x to 0, move to left. Now you are here, now first x. Change this into 0. Change this into 0. Change this into 0. First x 0, second x 0, third x is also 0. After that, after changing of this x into 0, you are here, right? In that place, I'll use one more state here, Q6. No change of that one, just move to left hand side. Okay, this is you are having 0. What is the left hand side symbol you are having? 0. No change of that 0, just move to left. If you are having more than one zeros also, don't do anything. Just move to left. Why? Because this. So you have to take after the blank, what is the symbol you are having? More than one zero it is there, na? Don't touch in between. So after blank, what is the next zero available? That zero I have to take. Okay, now this is skipped because in this situation you are having only one zero. Generalized time, sometime you will have one more zeros also. That situation you can use this. So after that, your head pointer is here. It reached a blank space. If it is reached a blank, move to one right. You check whether you are having 0 means change that 0 to blank. Same thing is it. So from here to here, I'll give a blank, move to right. Yes, I have a 0. Same processes have to execute one more. So now this is changed as blank. Okay, it will skip everything. Here it will go. This meaning is all these zeros are changed as x and all the blank values are changed as 0. Then it will move to left hand side. Change all the zeros to all the x to zeros. Okay, here. Then move to left hand side. This one, no change of that one. But before of 1, if you are having 0 means same thing is repeated. Before of 1, if you are having blank means you can stop the process. Because before 1, no zeros are available means all m side zeros are recognized. Now you are here. If you are having 0 means same thing is repeated. If you are having blank means move to right hand side. This is Q8. Change this 1 into blank. So change that 1 into blank. Move to right hand side. Now change all these n side zeros to blank because I don't want that. So I'll take all zeros to blank, move to right. At one situation, we'll reach this one also. Change that one to blank. Stop the process. Okay. After changing of all these blank, these also blank, this also blank, stop the process. How many zeros balance you are having? 6 zeros. This is multiplication of two numbers or subroutines. Both you can use the same diagram. Thank you.